Hello, followers of Mamashika TV. I want to greet you once again. Last time, we learned about fabricating our own irrigation system. Today, we are going to learn how to use one plant to protect another. Specifically, we'll explore the case of using Cayenne to produce pesticide for tomatoes. Let's begin by planting them at home using sacks as the garden. As you can see, the Cayenne chilies are growing. They are turning red. This is the time for harvesting. After harvesting, let's review today's lesson on making pesticide from Cayenne chili. Making an insecticide from Cayenne chili peppers is a relatively simple process that harnesses the natural insect-repelling properties of capsaicin, the active compound found in chili peppers. Here's a basic recipe for a homemade cayenne pepper insecticide. Ingredients: cayenne chili peppers, fresh or dried, water, soap. Put them on the stove to boil, then pour hot water over the cayenne peppers, ensuring they are completely covered. The hot water aids in extracting the capsaicin from the peppers. After boiling them, allow the cayenne pepper mixture to steep for at least 24 hours, or up to several days, to allow the capsaicin to infuse into the water. After that, the cayenne mixture is ready to be transformed into pesticide. Use a bucket for preparing it. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, cheesecloth, or coffee filter to remove the solid pepper particles. You should be left with a liquid solution containing the capsaicin extract. To help the insecticide adhere to plant surfaces and improve its effectiveness, you add small pieces of soap to the cayenne pepper solution. Why do we mix cayenne chili with soap to make insecticide? Because mixing cayenne chili with soap serves several purposes and can enhance the effectiveness of the insecticide.